Hello everyone, you are watching this video on our YouTube channel English with Shyam Patidar. Here are the so many participants who are going to discuss with me. Recently they all have completed their 30 to 35 days over here. Now they are ready to discuss with me on a very simple topic. That is why I am giving them a very simple topic. Okay, you all have to speak that which is better, village life or city life. If you believe that, sir, I think city life is better because in city we get so many facilities. If you want to do business, if you want to do so many things, we can do if we are living in city. But in village, we can't do those sort of things which we can do in city because there is no proper education in village. But if you talk about the speciality of village, so in village what do you get? You get unity. You will get support by the people. So many great things that you also get in village. So overall you are free to speak. Don't think about mistake. You are basic student. So are you ready everyone?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
So now guys, let's get started. Now who is going to start first? You please. What do you think?
Sir, thank you, sir. My name is Akshita Shore. I think cities are better.
Okay.
So we can see there are many facility available in cities as compared to village, like electricity, medical, education system. I think the government provide government school in some villages, but not all. They provide in only large villages. So their students in small villages students have to come to cities for studies. So it's very difficult to students.
Okay.
And in a medical system, we see medical system. So in a government provide a government hospital in some areas. So there people have to come villages, have to come cities from village to get medicines.
Okay,
so
okay,
I
that's
think
really-
cities are best.
Okay, that's really great. That's have you like yes.
Sir, I think that village is good, sir, because we get very fresh fruits in a village and fresh vegetables in village, and there are so many people who do works very honestly, and people in village we get food very honestly, and what is the price of
fresh.
yes, sir.
Okay.
And
Yes, yes, carry on.
and what is the price of that things, so we get real price in our village, and the people do work in village very honestly, and that's why we should live in village.
Okay, we should live in villages. Okay. I just want to ask you, Jay. What do you think?
Sir, I think that villages are good because in villages we see that there is no pollution, we do not get a noise that we see in cities. They are developed but not clean, sir.
Yes. That's really
So what
great.
about that?
Okay, what about that? It means cities are not as clean as villagers are.
Yes.
Okay, yes, Harish. What do you think?
Thank you, sir. According to me, the city is better than a village because in cities there is a good education for children and there is a employment for all peoples.
Yes.
But in village there is no employment. Farming is one of the employment for all peoples. So I think city is better than a village.
In short, in city you are having so many scopes. You can do any sort of work. Okay, that's have my. Okay, so what do you think? Okay, here, who is going to start? Yes, please. What do you think?
Thank you, sir. My name is Chanda Patel, and sir, according to me, sir, city life is more better than village life because life of city is modern life, and city's life is comfortable life, and cities provide us many facilities for education, jobs, and medical facilities also. So, sir, city life is best.
Okay, that's what do you think, Komal? Please.
Sir, according to me, city's life is better. There is so many facilities like medical facility, education. Many people's migration for village to city.
Yes.
So we easily education there from the city, and we should make very good career in the city compared to village.
Okay,
So I
okay.
think city is better.
City is better. Okay, what do you think? Give me this mic. Yes, Vansh. What do you think?
Thank you, sir. Hello, friends. My name is Vansh. Today I will speak about which is better life.
Yes.
Sir, I think city is better life from the village because village. Because in the city we live like a luxury life.
Yes.
Because and in the villages we see that there are so many problems in the villages, but in the city there are
not a more problems in the city, and in the city we earn more money. But in the villages there are so many problems, like streets are not good, and their homes are not perfectly made. So I think, sir, city is more important from the village, and in the city we do study, we do study good, but in the villages there are no facilities of the some villages have their facilities of the studies, but in the they are coming on the cities to study, and in the cities we get a good job also, and in the cities we get so many things.
Okay, that's
Thank you,
really
sir.
great. That's really great. Vansh, yes. What do you think?
Sir, I think that city is better than a village, because as we can see, the better education and a better job, everything is in a city. And as we can see in a village, there is so much not a flat way to go anywhere. It is so bad. And as we can see in a city, there is a highway and rules. We have to have traffic rules also, and there is no accident happens. But in a village, it happens more.
Okay, in city there is no chance for accident. Okay.
No, if it is happen, so they will punish.
Okay.
If it is happening in a village, so people will beat only boy, which is riding. But if they can't see whose mistake is there, they
That's
only
really great.
beat.
Okay, yes, Sapna. What do you think?
According to me, village life is good. We can live there simply life, and we can get so many things like pure water, pure vegetable, and or in village people do hard work and all day. And cities have so many pollution, like air pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. So village life is good, and Mahatma Gandhi said that real Indian live in village, and India is a country of village.
Okay,
that's why
really great. That's really great. Okay, yes, Ritesh.
Sir, thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Okay.
Sir, according to me, village life is better than city life, because village is, there are so many advantages, like less noise, less pollution, and fresh air, and there are also available good and healthy food. So that's why
Okay.
village is very,
Okay.
very
I just want to ask. Here are so many questions that I can raise. So my first question for all those who are in favor of city. They are talking about good facilities. They are talking about living standard that is very good in cities. But what is important? What is required for living a life, a peaceful life, a proper fresh, maybe you can say fresh air, proper food to eat, proper people to live. So this sort of things we get in village. So Sakshi, especially you are in the favor of city. So what do you think? What about it?
Yes, sir. As Saidip said that there is more fresh air and cleanness. So I think nowadays the cities are more clean than villages.
Okay.
We all know that Indore cities develop, and their cleanness we all know. But any village is clean.
But do you know, in village, whatever there is a situation, it is just because of people. People are cleaning the roads. But in city, what you when you don't know, you don't clean your street, which is before your house. It means you don't try to go out of your home. But in village, what the people are doing? They are cleaning the road even. So what about it? What about the unity of people? Tell me, please.
Sir, I think
It is not like that.
yes, it is. Yes, sir. I think it is not like this because their people are not aware for
Okay.
this.
Okay,
But
okay.
in cities, people are aware.
Okay, what do you think? What do you think? City, who are, yes.
Sir, it doesn't depend on sir village. It depends on our villages people and our citizen peoples. So like this, it depends on people, not on sir city and village, sir.
Okay. So, once you are also in favor of city. What do you think about it? We get fresh food. We get no pollution in village. What about it?
But sir, in the village, the farmers are doing a farming in the village, and they take their farming and come to a city, and we get in the city. Why they are coming in the city? Because they have their facility are also in the village, but they don't get more money from them.
Okay, what do you think? What about it? Pollution. What do you think about pollution? As he mentioned over here and now she mentioned about the pollution. What about pollution?
Sir, every city has no pollution.
Okay, some cities are having.
Some cities are having, like Delhi,
Okay.
it's
Metro cities even,
Yes.
not a local city like Khandwa.
yes, sir. So city is good because of education.
Okay.
In village there is a government school for children's. Children's has no properly education in village.
Yes.
In city there is many schools and many colleges for
Private
education.
schools and
Yes,
private
sir.
colleges are there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's really great. But, yes.
Sir, but I want to say that the farmers are living in villages that because they want to production of crops, that they are making the crops for us, the cities person and all over in India, and they also export.
You have to answer. Okay, you have to
Yes,
answer.
sir. They export their crops in out of India also. So what about that, sir?
Okay, what about it? What about it? Who is going to answer one by one?
But sir, he said that the farmers lives in only in village, but they doesn't live in a village, but also they lives in a city. Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, Arad.
Sir, I think that as he said that we get fresh food in a village, only in village. It is wrong because nowadays the farmers are coming to the city to sell because they know that we can't sell we can't income proper in a village because there is no more people lives in a
But the
village. But in a
crops-
city
but-
we can.
Yes.
But their fresh fruits and all the things are where they comes from.
No, where they comes from, okay. You are saying that. But nowadays we are also getting the fresh fruits. We are talking about fresh fruits.
Okay. I just want to ask the question to all those who are in your village.
Yes.
Now it's your turn, okay?
Yes, sir.
Now what about the real education? Most of the girls are not getting education in village. First question. Second question, what about superstitions? They are believing in the faith which is not actually right. What about it? Yes, please. Just have this mic and give this mic to me. Yes, please. What about education? What about superstitions?
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, education, if you talk about education, so sir, in cities life, education is very good, and because all farmers are also depend on the city.
Yes.
Because their sons and daughters also come to cities for study. So sir, in education, cities life is
Okay,
good.
we can come by village. We can come from village also. Yes.
Sir, villagers are also depend on cities life.
Citizens.
Citizens.
Because of it, yes.
Yes, sir, because they grain and farming. Because you went to village, so there only you do farming, nothing also.
Okay. That's really great. I just want to ask next question to all of you. All right. When it comes to live peaceful life, where we get it? One by one. You all will get chance. Just control your emotions, guys. Okay. One by one. Okay. First you.
Sir, I think that we can also live a peaceful life in a city.
Okay.
Because as we can see, the more peaceful life we get in a more big house and more big places.
So if you are having a bungalows, if you are having a
Yes.
big car, so it means you are a peaceful person.
Yes, if nowadays the money is everything.
Nowadays money is everything. Man. Okay. Yes, you.
No, sir, money is not everything.
Yes. What is matter most then?
Sir, the matter most that we get a fresh air,
Okay.
the living of personality that
Nature.
how the nature, how we are living, and the things also matters.
Things also matters. Yes. Where we get peaceful life.
Sir, we get a peaceful life in a village because of that, sir. We get a fresh everything in a village, and people do work very honestly in village. So that's why, sir, he said that the money is everything nowadays. But sir, honesty is also, there are so many things that is also
Yes,
important
that's really
for us.
great. That's really great. Yes, Sakshi, what do you think?
Sir, I think peaceful life in cities, if we want to go anywhere, like enjoying. So it is not available in villages.
Okay, what kind of enjoyment? What kind of enjoyment that you get?
Like cinema.
Okay.
We have to see cinema, watch cinema. So villages people also come in cities to watch cinema.
Okay. Yes, Panch, what do you think?
Sir, I think we get a peaceful life in the city because in the city we live like a peaceful in the flats also and so many facility in the cities and the cities we get good jobs also.
Okay.
In the good jobs and the villages are
Villages are, yes, carry on.
villages are going here and there for is that my children get a job there, but in the city we live like a freely when we are children, so we live like freely, but in the villages the children are doing farming whenever they are also a child.
Okay, when they are the kid, they are also doing work. Okay, yes, Sapna, what do you think? Where we get peaceful life?
Sorry, in village we can live a peaceful life because there is a
Don't think about mistakes, Sapna, just carry on. Okay? Sir, we live peaceful life in village because
there people live in happily each other and they go choraya
Yes.
and they talk each other
Okay.
and they help each other. That's why.
Okay,
There is no crime and
Okay, last two.
we know that in city so many nowadays increasing so many crime.
Okay, now decide who is going to speak. Yes,
And
one. Yes.
sir, as we know that in lockdown, all cities people come in village because corona is increasing, so they come in village for a peaceful life.
Okay, so in short, that's really great point. Okay, in corona especially. Yes.
Sir, according to me, village people are very help for every time, and city people is every time is on busy.
Yeah,
every
they are
time
busy always.
busy always. So according to me, village people are very.
Okay. Yes. What do you think
Sir,
about?
I think city life is better, more comfortable and peaceful. As we know this, and there is so more privacy compared to a village.
Okay. Sorry guys, we don't have much time. But I just want to ask a last question to you, all of you. What about this pandemic? In pandemic, most of the people are migrating towards the village. So why? One by one. Yes, first.
But sir, in the pandemic time, the villagers are doing the farming also because they don't have money, and in the lockdown, some people they are not giving the discount and they are taking something from there. And in the city, the people have money. And so they will transfer them, but in the villages they do also work in the farming also.
Okay. Last.
Yes, sir. I think in corona epidemic time, those whose people going in the cities, their family lived there. So now, but many people family lived in the cities, and whose people go there. So those people who go there. They wanted to enjoy with her family, but in the cities, people also people lived in corona epidemic.
Okay. Now we are stopping here because there is a time issue. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys also enjoyed. So if you think that city is better, so you can also say something. It means you can express your thoughts by doing comments. Okay. If you think that city is better, so you can also mention why. If you think that village is better, you can also mention there. I hope guys you enjoyed the video, so please share it. Do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Thank you so much.